Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then simply scroll to find the apps. Now let's tap on System App Settings, and that's not the section you have to enter. Sorry, you have to tap on Manage Apps. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And here, as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So the disabled apps and the notifications, default apps, and the background data restrictions for apps. No worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your POCO device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.